Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at Mara Marathon Patent Group, and this company is a Bitcoin cryptocurrency mining company. They primarily focus on Bitcoin, which is great because let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. You will find out that Bitcoin has surpassed $3,000 like a champ. Look at this heavy push all the way to the upside, almost touching 35,000 today on a Sunday. And I was expecting this move. And the reason why I was expecting this crazy push to the upside is because Bitcoin is the biggest craze right now. And guess what? During this 3-day weekend, the stock market was closed for 3 days. And where do people go when they want to still trade and keep investing? They can go on to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, where they can do this 24/7. So I was expecting a nice move like this for Bitcoin to continue to move up, especially because the FOMO is setting in. It really is. If we look in the weekly chart, it has just exploded. People would be expecting a nice pushback, but every resistance that Bitcoin starts to form, it just follows up with a huge breakout. As you can see here, we have a nice wedge, and it broke out a tremendous amount, as much as $15,000 is the latest breakout of this wedge, 76%. So people are making amazing gains with Bitcoin. The craze is still going on. People are still jumping on. So what does that have to do with Marathon Patent Group? Well, with Mara, ticker symbol MAR, it's going to follow suit because they have some holdings and they also mine cryptocurrency. If we look at the technical analysis of the chart, due to the past history, this company has, it's done really, really well, but it was on a bear territory, bear market, and you're going to obviously have to give this relation to the cryptocurrency space where a lot of interest was not there. But since it has picked up, Mara has been booming. Look at these volume levels since May. It has really spiked up, and look at before that, really nothing. This company was just on a small decline. A little bit of people knew about it, but you're going to continue to hear about Mara from a lot of people. So is now the time to buy? I really do believe so. Mara and Bitcoin are not the same, even though Mara has some correlation to Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency space, and that is because that's what they mine. As long as the value of the coins continue to go up, you will see the value of these stocks continue to get some intrinsic value, I would say, from that. Today, I wanted to bring you guys some amazing news, and that is that Marathon Patent Group is purchasing 70,000 S-19 ASIC miners from Bitmain for $170 million. All this lingo and terminology basically is coming down to Marathon is increasing their mining capacity, and as you know, a mining company with more quote-unquote miners should be able to produce more of the commodity that they're searching for. And Marathon, with more mining rigs, they can work on the crypto blockchain, and when they work on it, they get rewarded with cryptocurrency. So they're investing heavily, but I believe they're investing just at the right time, because this contract has been sealed. They should be receiving 7,000 of their miners by July, and then the rest by December. So this year they're really going full on in. And if we go back to their stock price, it's currently trading at $10.50, and that's an astounding price due to the fact that earlier this week it was at $14.66. So it's still on discount from the high, because I believe tomorrow, I'm recording this on a Sunday, tomorrow it's gonna gap up. The last huge rally that Bitcoin had, Mara gapped up the next day, and that was the last week on the 28th from the last half trading day of the 24th to the 28th. It gapped up as much as the gap itself, 15%, and opening at a nice high of 25%. Ever since then, a gradual cool off. I'm suspecting that a lot of short-term weak hand investors, they're just cashing out, and especially with them seeing the stock being at a high price of $14 and then pushing down to 13 to 12, they get scared and they start selling in huge waves. So you have a little frenzy of people who are trying to capture profits when if they purchased anywhere around $9 and under, because that is a amazing gains from $9 all the way just to 12. That's a nice gain of 33%. So you are going to be seeing a lot of volatility in this company, but at the same time, I consider these people right here very weak hands. And guess what we're forming on the technical analysis charts? We are forming a nice, beautiful wedge. Bitcoin, $33,000, 34, whatever the price tag is right now. I'm sure it's gonna get, Mara is gonna gap up at the open tomorrow. I'm really hoping that it gaps up at least 50 cents, a dollar. That would be amazing. I'm currently swing trading this stock, so yes, I am trading this. I was able to get in at the low of Thursday at the bottom. I just couldn't believe that a huge sell-off was occurring that day. A lot of people panicking, and also there's a lot of people short selling. So there's both sides to this. There's the bears really coming in and trying to short this stock, and then there's people panic selling. And I was very amazed that it broke support right here and went under the previous day's low of 11.35, and I was able to catch some Mara at $10.75 average, I believe. So that's where I'm at. I'm standing there. I have a position in Mara. The next day, the fact that it sold off again, you know, it did kind of want to shake me out once I saw it at this at the $10 price tag. But what I should have done was add more to my position, because I can, in my trading rules, I can add more to my position, because I still have full beliefs that Mara is going to make a full recovery. And if I was to add more in my position, all I would do was just add a closer stop, which right now my stop, if Mara does not do anything promising on Monday and everything that I'm saying goes against me, and I see the price tag of $9.70, $9.80, that's where I'm stopping my trade, and I would probably be down 7-8%, which is not bad. Which is not, you know, it sounds bad, but right now why I'm really bullish is because we have a nice consolidating wedge, Bitcoin all-time highs. If Mara can break to the upside, if it can break some resistance and start squeezing out short sellers, Mara is gonna run. And I have the Fibonacci's right here, and I accommodated it to the highs and the lows of current price action from the breakaway of the latest cup and handle. So right here you have a cup, a mini handle, well, a very odd shaped cup if you see it, and then we have an actual cup right here, the cup, and then the handle and the breakaway. And right now consolidating again for another breakout. But going back to the Fibonacci, if we are able to bounce and push through resistance and squeeze out short sellers, I would not be surprised to see Mara around the $18 to $20 price range. And the higher we go, the more the more closer I'm going to start bringing my stop loss. So even though as of right now, I believe I'm down like 3-4%, which is not bad on my swing trade, because again, I'm very bullish on this stock. If anything, I should have averaged down one time to my position. It is trading stock. I'm not trading options. Oof. I'd be very nervous trading options, because the volatility and the theta and the time decay, you know, would really be hurting my contracts. But if we can push if Mara can push all the way and break out and have a beautiful run this week, I wouldn't be surprised to see it between, like I said, $18 to $20. And yes, it can do that in 1 week. Look at this run right here from this amazing breakout. It went up $5-6 for an amazing 100% gain. Due to current price levels, I would say my gains, I'm really hoping for a 50 to 60, if not 70. And again, every time we get into the next double-digit profit zone for me, I will push my stop loss to that next zone. So if I'm at 55% profit, I will push my stop loss to lock in 50%. If we push to 65, I will push it to 60 to lock it if we go under that. So Mara has great potential to run. Again, it has amazing news that it's increasing their production capacity of mining. The stock chart looks very, very bullish. Volume has been spiking. Again, a lot of selling, but that's weak hands. Let's get those losers out of here, because we are going to be running. And if not, those people who are selling, and once they see Mara start running again, they're going to to hop back on. So there's a lot of interest in these cryptocurrency stocks. I think it's going to be the talk of the town this month, in January, in February. As long as Bitcoin keeps breaking new highs, this month you will see Mara and Riot and other companies of the sort start making runs. But again, the fact that I'm very bullish and I'm trading particularly Mara is because I love the chart setup. I love that they are coming out with this news that they are, you know, increasing production. This was on the 28th, and the 28th, maybe also the 28th, maybe a lot of people haven't got the full news of what this can do for the company, but nevertheless, that's where that's how I'm trading this stock. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which company you like best? Do you like Mara? Do you like Riot, or any one of the other ones? Again, this chart is super bullish. Look at this, a very bullish wedge right here. If anything, if we were to say it's a bull flag, we will be testing resistance also at $12.20, but I would already be in the green in order to protect my trade and lock in profits in case we have another sell-off. We go all the way to what would be considered a bull flag pattern and break under it. I would do my stop loss and I would lock in at least 10% in this trade, and still a good trade for me nevertheless, and reposition myself to get back into this stock if it was to go low again. So that's just me briefly explaining to you guys my current trade and why I love Mara. I really like this company. How long will I be in this trade? If Mara starts running, like I said, until I get stopped out, if I think we're gonna go higher than $18 to $20, I would like to update you guys. So be sure to be subscribed to the channel. That way, if I make the video, you will be notified that it is in your inbox. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck in this new year, 2021. Hopefully you guys get amazing gains. I certainly am starting off the year pretty good. I feel very confident in this trade. I took it, you know, the last couple of days of 2020, and now we're in 2021, and I'm very excited that I'm in a really good trade at the moment and with large potential to the upside. So watch out. The stock market's going to be super hot this year. You're going to want to be well informed, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.